my channel. I am so excited to be making this video because I finally get to share something that I've been working on for the past few months. As you know, one of my favorite videos that I've done and one of my most popular videos on my channel has been my top 10 tips for wedding planning. I have always loved and been obsessed with weddings. I was that kid that used to hide wedding magazines under my bed when I was like in the 5th grade, picking out what wedding dress I would have, what ring I would have. I was obsessed, and especially when Jennifer Lopez came out with the wedding planner video, that was just to me what I wanted to be, hands down. And as years have gone on, I have still continued to love every single thing about weddings. I just love the details, I love the stories, I love how romantic it is. Everything about a wedding I'm just obsessed with. So that is why I have decided to start my own little side project. I have a little store on Etsy called Lolly Design Co. It is wedding and paper goods. I'm really excited to share these invitations with you. I have 3 to start out with, and I had a lot of fun just coming up with ideas that I really like, seeing weddings that I really like, and things that I really enjoyed to get inspired for what I have to show you. So on the Etsy store, I only have 3 different designs to offer right now, but I want to continue to grow that and have more options and have different types of invitations or other paper goods that you can purchase as well. So my favorite one to start out with is the greenery one, and each set comes with 4 different pieces. So you have your wedding invitation, you have your details card, your reception card, and then you also have a big poster which has your name, and most of this can be customized. This is the greenery one. I think that it is so classic. It's really on trend with right now what we're seeing in all the weddings that are happening right now. And I think it's very rustic. It gives a little bit of a fun, romantic, like whimsical kind of feeling to it. And I really, really love this one. It's pretty much my favorite one. The other ones that I have to show you, I actually have here, I just have the other 2, and this one is the floral one. I think that this is so cute. It's so feminine. It reminds me kind of like Anthropologie style. I think that this is adorable. I could see this like a really garden wedding, something in the summer, maybe the spring. And the details card is a reception card, as well as the poster. I don't have the poster here because it's too big. Goes so well with it. I think that you can even carry this over into the theme of the wedding, you know, with decorations and things like that. Then I have a classic invitation, which is more so what I did for my wedding, but what I love about this wedding invitation is the monogram on top. I think that's such an elegant touch. I don't think you can ever go wrong with just plain black and white. It kind of just gives your wedding this black tie, extra glam sort of feel. And that's what I went for when designing this one. Same with the detail card and the reception card. I think that this just screams like black tie, very fancy, classic, timeless, even old Hollywood maybe. I love this. This is more so the style that I actually went for on my wedding day. So those are the 3 types of wedding invitations that I have offered on Lolly Design Co. The amazing thing is that they are all priced at $19.55, and that includes 4 pieces. So you would purchase the pack that you would like, and basically it'll be sent to us and we'll customize it. So we'll take your name, the information, if you have any little bit of wording that you would like to change, and then we'll send that back to you, and you get to choose the paper that you would like for it to be printed on. So I thought really fast I would touch on paper, because what people don't realize is actually paper can be quite expensive when planning a wedding. This paper in particular is actually 100-pound paper. So when thinking about paper, I would say the best thing is to just go and find somewhere that specializes in printing wedding invitations. Now I know that you might not have the budget for that, but I think that $19.55 for wedding invitations is a steal of a deal, and you're probably saving, you know, quite a bit on that. I think that the great thing would be is to go find a place that you can actually feel the paper. Maybe that's Staples, but I would make sure to buy a pack of paper that you want to actually feel, because if you don't want it to be, like, this is nice, but I would probably go with at least 120, 130 pound of paper. Now, the one thing that you have to note is anything above about 100, 110 pounds, you're going to have to pay extra postage on, more than likely. It depends on where you live, but for us, postage is where we kind of got kicked in the butt. So I would take all those things into consideration, make sure to do your research, go and actually feel the paper that you want. Look at it. Do you want it to be this stark white? Do you want it to be a little off-white, creamy? Do you want it to have that recycled look? You have all of these options, and they're at your disposal to explore them. So I'm just giving you a little tip. If you want to save on postage, 100-pound paper is not bad. But if you want that really like statement piece of paper, I know that sounds funny, I would look for something about 120 pounds, 130 pounds. Mine was very thick. It was basically like a piece of cardboard. Costed us an arm and a leg to mail those, but I don't regret it. I loved those, and I have one framed sitting on my mantle right now because I just think that it's so beautiful and I want to remember it. I am so happy to be able to share with you this Lolly Design Co. project, and I will continually update and create new invitations. If you have any suggestions for invitations, like you have a wedding coming up and you're looking for a specific design, let me know, and maybe that's something that could be my next release. I would love to collab with other people, and I think it's so awesome to be able to make these at such an affordable price, because weddings are really expensive. And if there's a way that you can save money, why not it be this way? And maybe you can put a little bit extra money into the paper or into the food or something else that means a lot to you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna link the store down below. Be sure to check it out. Even just, you know, just to say hi, just see what it's all about. I would love that, and I hope that you will be back for my next video. I'll see you again. Bye.